Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a hands-on review of the Tesvor Robot Vacuum and Mop with 8,000 Pascal suction, advanced obstacle avoidance, and a self-emptying base that lasts up to 70 days. If you're tired of daily floor cleaning, or want a cleaner home while saving time, this review is for you. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy honest tech reviews, and subscribe for weekly content that helps you buy smarter. Keeping your floors clean shouldn't eat up your day, and with Tesvor's promise of 8,000 Pascal's ultra-powerful suction, it can pick up dirt, pet hair, and debris on hard floors and carpets without you lifting a finger. Add in mopping capabilities with electronic water control, and you've got a 2-in-1 cleaner for daily maintenance. The Tesvor Robot Vacuum uses LiDAR navigation with advanced obstacle avoidance, allowing it to clean methodically without bumping into furniture or getting stuck under chairs. It's equipped with smart room mapping, letting you select specific rooms or zones to clean using the app or voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. One of its standout features is the self-emptying base, which holds debris for up to 70 days. This is perfect if you travel or simply want a hands-off cleaning experience. In testing, the 8,000 Pascal suction handled heavy debris and fine dust with ease on hard floors and rugs. The mop function provided a consistent clean on tile and laminate, though remember, like most hybrids, it's for maintenance mopping rather than deep scrubbing. Navigation was smooth, with the Tesvor efficiently covering our testing area without missing corners. Ultra-powerful 8,000 Pascal suction, mopping and vacuuming in one unit, advanced obstacle avoidance and LiDAR mapping, self-emptying base for up to 70 days of hands-off cleaning, app and voice assistant control, budget-friendly compared to similar flagship models. The mop tank is small, requiring frequent refills for larger areas. No hot water mopping like some higher-end models. The self-emptying base can be loud during the emptying process. If you're looking for an affordable, powerful robot vacuum that vacuums and mops with minimal maintenance, the Tesvor Robot Vacuum and Mop is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for pet owners, busy families, or anyone wanting a low-effort clean. If you're ready to upgrade your cleaning game, check out the affiliate link in the description to grab your Tesvor Robot Vacuum and Mop today. Comment below if you've tried a robot vacuum, or if you have questions about Tesvor's features before buying. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more smart home tech reviews to keep your home clean with less effort. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our upcoming robot vacuum comparison test and other home tech reviews. See you in the next video.